Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already discussed about the properties of magnet. Now, some another properties of magnets are. I already told about the first properties of magnet. Near the poles, the attraction is more. Attraction or repulsion. The magnetic effect is more near the pole. Student, for example, this is a magnet. Near the pole, the magnetism is more. Yes. Second, directive property. I already told about the directive property also. When you hang the magnet, then south toward the geographic south and north toward the geographic north. Some other properties are, students. Yes, a sure test for the magnetism is repulsion. Repulsion is a sure test of the magnetism. Keep in mind, repulsion is the sure test of a magnetism. Yes. Next property, take a bar magnet or a horseshoe magnet and a few iron nail, bring one near. Take a horseshoe magnet, take few iron nails. Bring one iron nail near, take one iron nail near the pole of the magnet. It will be attracted toward the pole and will stick to the magnet. That was stick to the magnet. See here. Magnet. Bring the another nail which is get attracted to the first iron nail. Yes. Now first iron nail become magnetized. And when second iron nail come near the first, it will attracted. Yes, attracted from the first iron nail. Yes, induced magnetism come in the first iron nail. This was the first, this was the second, and this is the third. Keep in mind. Yes, the nail which will be attracted to the first iron nail. And this shows that iron nail acquires the magnetic property. Yes, first iron nail acquire the magnetic property and next iron nail again attracted from there. It means the magnetism again come in the second one also, third one also. Yes, property and attraction of another iron nail is the presence of magnet. Presence of magnet. This show the magnetism is induced in the iron nail. Hence it is called induced magnetism. In these another iron nail, the magnetism is induced. Keep in mind, induced magnetism. Yes. When magnet is broken into pieces, that is very nice experiment. See there. What happened there? See there. When, for example, you have big magnet like this, North Pole, South Pole. When you cut it into piece, then two pieces there. This is South Pole, this is, after cutting, this is the South and this is again full magnet form. Keep in mind. Again full magnet form. Yes. A magnet is broken into pieces. Each piece behave like a complete magnet. Complete magnet. If the magnet is heated or handled roughly, then it get demagnetized. Yes. When you heat any magnet and roughly you handle, you throw here and there, then magnetism lose after some time. Yes, roughly. Then it get demagnetized, lose their magnetism. So these are the properties of a magnet. Properties of a magnet. Now we see the properties of magnetic lines. This part is not in your syllabus, students. The properties of magnetic lines for forces, but for your knowledge, I will tell to you now only. Yes. Magnetic lines of forces always outside of a magnet move from north to south. North to south. And inside from south to north. From there they start the journey and again come back on the same point. Like this. Again. Like this. Like this. If keep in mind, near the poles, the magnetic lines are very near. It means a strong magnetism. Keep in mind. Strong magnetism is there. When they go away, the gap between increases, the magnetism decreases. At the pole, magnetism very high. Very high. Or one more thing. They always repel each other. These magnetic lines always repel each other. And third thing, first I already told, move from north to south and inside magnet south to north. Second, The magnetic where the magnetic lines are very very near, the magnetism is high. Third one, yes, third one. No two magnetic lines cross each other, intersect each other. For example, this is the north, this is the south. No two magnetic lines cross each other. Why? For example, if you want to find out the direction of magnetism in this point, you always draw the tangent. Always draw the tangent. Keep in mind. So no two lines cross each other. If this point you take, there two tangent is there. Actually, two directions are there in magnetism. Two directions are there in a magnetism. It is not possible. It means two magnetic lines not cross each other. Not cross each other. So this is the properties of the magnetic lines of forces. Thank you.